My journey of Waldorf starts when my first kid was born in 2013 and जैसा कि होता है कि जैसे ही आपके बच्चा होता है आप सबसे पहले इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं कि उसकी एजुकेशन का क्या होगा एंड सिंस माय नोशन ऑफ एजुकेशन वाज अ बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय ओन एजुकेशन आई हैव हैड सो मुझे शुरू से लगता था कि कुछ अलग पद्धति या कुछ अलग एजुकेशन का ज़रिया मैं अपने बच्चों को देने की कोशिश करूँगा. There was this another school which runs on a Montessori pattern, and there was this Waldorf which was fairly a new school in as comparison. But then we opted Waldorf primarily because one, the people around me, I was more confident about their feelings that yes, Waldorf is much more evolved pattern of education. Then I studied a bit. I mean, both of us kept on discussing about this thing that what's it all about. Then we studied lot of search around Google and talked to different people who have been into Waldorf and all these patterns of education. And then finally we came to a point that okay, let's try it out. And that's very encouraging for me to see that she has become more. So there is much more thirst of learning in her now. So it's been what, a year, and all the reports I have received with respect to my daughter has been more about what she has been learning. So there is no negativity in terms of analyzing the child. That is one more thing which generally as a human being we tend to do when we analyze something. So that's completely different when it comes to their Waldorf, that they analyze the behavior and the development of the child in a very positive way. The activities they have developed on a daily basis are very interesting. So there were few things, like she said that in Waldorf the whole idea of learning and writing, I mean learning in a sense, the conventional idea of learning where you read and write, that starts at a very later age. दूसरी बात ये थी कि जब हम शुरू में स्कूल में आने लगे एंड वी थॉट दैट देयर इज़ इट्स अ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल स्ट्रक्चर. बहुत बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा उनके ऊपर, इनफैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा क्या, उनके ऊपर बिल्कुल भी कोई किसी तरह का कोई दबाव नहीं होता. नीड ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट rather than need of the school or need of the adult. I mean, which made our belief firm into the world of education. Becomes very important that people, while people think about education, then they can also ponder upon what sort of education they want to give to their child. Because we kind of try to give the same environment which she gets into the school when there is a holiday and she's all the time she is into the home. So we try to give her that environment. In fact, to an extent that the whole behavior of the family has kind of shifted from more subtle and more listening, I would say more listening and more giving a more importance to your child. I think more and more as the Waldorf thing grows, more and more people will join this movement, and in that case society will see a shift in terms of behavioral and other aspects of living. Discuss as a parent about the idea of education. It's very important to now in a 21st century we think upon more experiential learning for the child, so that the pressure on the child about education and all these aspects of education which sadly we have developed a world into doesn't gets eased out, and the child becomes more pro towards learning. And that's what we find Uday Waldorf and Waldorf pattern of education a very important tool